Have you ever looked at people online and wondered how did they get so rich? It's not magic, it's not luck. It's about doing whatever it takes and mastering the right skills. That's the exact path that lifted me up financially. I had a vision, and I didn't stop until I was living it, exactly as I imagined. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Most people choose the comfort of being safe slaves to their paycheck. But real freedom? It's about stepping out of that comfort zone. It's about working smarter, not harder, and knowing that the work you put in today creates your future. Because if you don't make the effort, you'll stay stuck. I'll be blunt with you. There's one thing that separates the ultra-wealthy from everyone else. One thing that's common among all those online millionaires and business moguls. And guess what? It's not a secret. It's something that you can do too, and if you apply it, 2025 can be the most extraordinary year of your life. No more small dreams. No more playing small. For the last 7 years, I've been preaching about starting an agency. But I know that's not what you're here for anymore. You don't care about $10,000 a month. You want to know how I afford a Rolls Royce or bought my mom a $4 million house. Cash. You want to know how to make real money. And I totally get it. It's easy to look at the flashy cars and the private jets and think that's the end goal. But let me ask you, what really matters? It's not the toys. It's not the luxury trips. True wealth is about building a legacy. It's about being the one who handles business when your family needs you most. Your parents shouldn't have to work their whole lives. Imagine being able to give them the financial freedom they deserve. That's real wealth. So let me tell you the one thing that truly sets the ultra-wealthy apart. It's not the industry they're in, it's the mindset. They focus on building assets that can't be taken away. No matter what happens in the economy, politics, or the world, these assets stand strong. That's how they weather any storm. That's how they grow, even when the world is falling apart. While everyone else is trading time for money, they're building powerful, scalable assets. And that's the key. Building something that is completely yours, that works for you long after you've put in the effort. That's the game changer. Right now, you have an incredible opportunity to start doing this. Don't wait until it's too late. By the time the masses catch on, the biggest opportunities will be gone. Start now while niches are still wide open and untapped. There's still time to get ahead, but only if you take action today. You have the chance to change your future, to design a life that gives you everything you've ever wanted, and more. But you have to start. If you're ready to stop wishing and start building, this is your moment.